Hey everybody, JC's Adventures. I'm here at Worldwide RV in Mesa, Arizona, and we're going to show you the 2023 Jayco 34RLOK. That stands for Rear Living Outside Kitchen. This is more of a big couples. You could even use it for a full time with room for the family. We're going to start off with a quick view of the outside, showing you what makes the J Flight. Then we're going to go inside and show you exactly what that is. First of all, again, as always, we're running Goodyear tires, and we never adjust brakes on either LCI or Dexter axles. Our roof is a 4,500 pound weight limit with Magnum Truss roof system, same as an airplane wing. What it'll allow you for is you can walk it, even when trees come down, snow, whatever it may be, it's gonna withstand that weight. It's one of the things that makes Jayco a Jayco. Again, we do not use particle board or OSB at all, so everything you see is actually hard wood. As you take a look, the nicest part about the outside of this is the outside kitchen. The outside kitchen comes with a refrigerator, a countertop area, you have an outlet, and then of course you have a little light. Back here is the J-port system where you can put in a tabletop griddle, which is actually located in the front. It does come with a spare tire and of course the roof rack. We are pre-wired for rear and side view cameras. And if you take a look, you'll notice the windows are a little darker. They are a G20 tint. We do that specifically to keep things cooler on the inside and to keep from that sun damage that you see. Again, what's nice about this is you now have the fold-away steps, which can go in. So when you're not using the trailer, you get plenty of room that way. Come on inside and I'll show you what really makes this thing tick. As you can see, you have a lot of room in this. When we talk about rear living, it's exactly what it is. This couch will pull out into a queen size bed. So you do have area for kids if you need it, or other adults. You have two of the theater seating, and of course our patent pending removable trays. So you can put this in so you have a full dinner plate. Right across from this, and think about it, you guys, as you're camping, you want to be comfortable, you want to be able to spend time with your friends. This is going to give you that room, because look how big the TV is directly across from us, as well as that fireplace. What's nice about the fireplace is if it gets a little chilly, you can actually fire that up and get some heat in this area without turning on the heater itself. All of the air conditioning is ducted through. This does have two ACs on it. And of course, as you go through, you can move this around. And take a look at the hinges and just how we're built. Again, I said, you guys, we use all wood, so everything is actually screwed or glued. We don't use staples, and we just don't shortcut. We do have the linoleum cover over our flooring. That's a 5/8 tongue and groove plywood, 3/8 tongue and groove above us. As you can see, they also have crown molding on the sides. Again, just to give you a nice, easier seam. There's no trim pieces that come off of here. You have the dinette, which is, again, 4 seating. This will extend through. And when you come in, as you can take a look, you have plenty of storage if you need it when you're traveling. Again, you have a full-size island, dry rack, cutting board with outlets on both sides. Now, room. You guys need it, right? So as you're coming through, take a look here. You have the bigger propane electric fridge, so it gives you plenty of room. And then on this side, one of the things I like to point out, again, it's all plywood. These are roller bearing. Our drawers will hold 75 pounds. Now, don't drop 75 pounds in, but you can store it. And as you can see, you have plenty of room underneath here as well. So if you want to put a small trash can or whatever it may be. Again, you guys, everything is about storage, storage, and storage. We have a small oven, 3-burner stove, and of course your microwave. But what would an area this big be without some form of a pantry, okay? And as you can see, it's big enough to hold the box for your microwave. Here's a nice coffee station. So if you're staying in this full time, you want to be in a nice fair weather. This is not exactly built for the harshest of conditions, but it is built to give you plenty of room. Or if you're traveling and you just want something big enough to give you your own apartment, this is going to do it. As you come in, take a look into the bathroom / into the bedroom from there. Now, as you can see, big area here, medicine cabinet, storage, and a huge, huge bathroom closet. Now, I said this has 2 ACs. This actually does have 1 AC on it. You are pre-wired for solar. This has the 2+3 year warranty, as well as a huge, huge closet area. So you can go in and do your hanging clothes. You can go in and do your folding clothes here. So again, you guys, plenty of room available. We want to make sure that you have the best of all worlds as you're going through. So again, take a look. The last thing I want to show you, take a look here. Now we talk about plywood. As you can see, plenty of plywood with your outside storage. So again, you guys, as you're looking at other trailers, look under here, see what they're using. Typically, that's where you're going to see the OSB or particle board. We simply don't use it. You do have an ability to put another TV in here. And then the last thing I want to go over is the actual specs on the front of the unit. So as you can see, you do have the thermal package, so it does give you a sealed underbelly. Your basement storage here. 2 30-pound propanes, as well as your power tongue. Now, this particular unit, why I'm going through this is to show you, is you're sitting on 11,300 gross, so you're about 9,000 or about 8,500 pounds dry. As you come through, you can see you have double slides. You're a 50 amp unit, which that's why I said you can set it up for 2 ACs. We don't put 2 out here specifically because we're not seeing it for where they're going. You do have the outside shower, and you have potable water as well as your black tank flush. You guys, again, this is the 2023 Jayco 34 RLOK J-Flight. Take care and have a great day.